Getting, see, there is a figure 13.5 is there, no children. We just observe that. See, we have, I told you that hormones. So hormones are the chemicals which produce automatically, so in the human body, whether it may be male or female. Okay. So here this hormone we will find in the body. In the body we will find in the different parts of or in the different glands or in the different place in the body. Okay, so these hormones will be there, and there are names are also there for that hormones or the chemicals. Understood? So see here, look at this picture. So the first, that, see here, hormones is a chemical or it is a liquid shape. Okay, so that chemical will always carry a bag-like structure. That bag-like structure we call it as a glands. What we call? Glands. Glands are the sac or bag which we find the hormones in it. Understood? So in our body. So now how many types of hormones are there and how many types of glands are there? Okay, that bags which we find in the different part of your body. So next, see, the first one is pituitary gland. Okay, so pituitary gland. What is that? Pituitary gland. So glands are the bags-like structure. Okay, so pituitary gland we will find back side of our brain. Okay, so just see here, there is a hind brain we call. Okay, so which is the third part of the brain, this side. So just below that, children, we find there is a small bag-like structure. So this is called as a pituitary gland. Understood? So in this pituitary gland, which hormone will present? That hormone name is called pituitary hormone. What is that? Pituitary hormone. These are the glands and hormones. Okay, so the name of the hormone or the chemical is pituitary and the gland is pituitary gland. Understood? Yeah. Now, what is the function of this hormone? Okay, the function of this hormone is, you write function. Okay, the function of this hormone is to increase the human body. Means either it may be the shape, the structure, length, broad. Okay, so these kind of structures will be there, no? So to increase the shape or increase the structure of your body, this will be helping. Understood? So that we call as a pituitary hormone function. And one more is there, to make our body in balance. Okay, now you are sitting, you are in a balance position. I am standing, I am in a balance position. No, so we are seeing, if you run, that you are maintaining your balance. If you are sleeping, that we are maintaining our balance. So that maintaining balance, this hormones is very, very, very much important. Understood? So that is called the function of this, to maintain the balance in the body. Okay, so which will be present. The next hormone where we find? In the throat region. In the throat region. Okay, so that gland we call it as a thyroid gland. What we call? Thyroid gland. And there is a hormone name called thyroxine. What we call? Thyroxine. Thyroxine is a chemical which we find in the one. See, normally there is a common, nowadays there is a common disease called thyroid. Now, so many of, even the children also, even the adults also are suffering with that. Why means, here there should be a thyroxine hormone where our throat should have. In that, within the throat there is a gland is there. That gland should have a thyroxine hormone. Okay. That gland, if it produce the correct amount of thyroxine hormone, then we will be in a normal position, or we will be a normal human being, which we doesn't carry any kind of disease like that. If any imbalance, like if thyroxine hormone more it is producing, more quantity of thyroxine hormone, then there will be hyperthyroidism. There is a disease we get that is called hyperthyroidism. Okay, hyperthyroid means more thyroid, more secreting of hormones. Okay, in some people the hormone secretion will be very less, so they suffer with hypothyroidism, hypothyroid. Okay, so if the person within their thyroid gland, if they are producing or secreting the equal amount of this thyroxine, then they will be the normal person. Understood? If any ups and downs will be there, then they will start getting the disease called thyroid. Understood? Yeah. So this one again I told you that. So thyroid gland, thyroxine. So again it will be giving the, see here thyroxine main, there is a goiter will be there here. Goiter in the sense what we eat food, no? So this should be, that salt content will be there, no? So that should be in a proper manner. Okay, if you are taking more salt items, more salt, then thyroxine hormone will be increased. And if we take very less salt, or our thyroid gland is there, no? If it is not producing that thyroxine hormone which have a salt in it, then that again getting hypothyroidism. Understood? So this also to get disease free, that is thyroid. And one more function is there, again it is help to increase or to make the growth of a person or the child in a proper way. Okay, so for the growth and development of a body of a either boy or girl, this will be helpful. Okay, next see the third gland is called adrenal gland. What we call? Adrenal gland produce the hormone called insulin. Okay, so this adrenal gland we will find above the pancreas. All have the pancreas. We all have the pancreas. Above the pancreas we will find, see green color, that bag-like structure is there, no? That is called adrenal gland, which produce insulin. See here children, nowadays this thyroid disease and diabetes, suffering like anything, that men's and women's both. Even the children also, born children also will suffering with this. No, so the babies, those who born, so they themselves also, because of heredity, that if their parents have, so automatically they also start getting. Why this kind of things is happening? See here, this pancreas is there, no? So upon that there is a adrenal gland we find. In this insulin is there. Insulin is a chemical hormone. This should be in a proper minimum again amount. If okay, so what will happen in the insulin? If insulin is there in your body in a minimum amount, okay, so then it will not allow the glucose, whatever we eat, no, that will convert into glucose. Okay, that avoid glucose to get it into our blood. Which avoid? This insulin avoid. Not to get more insulin, means more glucose in our body, this will avoid insulin. But in some persons, the insulin level will be getting decreased. When the insulin level will get decreased in the adrenal gland, then automatically the glucose level starts getting raised. As they go beyond the normal level, if they cross beyond the normal level, then they will start getting the or suffering with the disease called diabetes. Understood? To control the diabetes, this one is very important. Okay, so because of stress, because of strain or because of overeating, this insulin starts getting low. If this starts getting low, the glucose level in the body will get raised and the disease can occur. Okay, then when you go to doctor will give the tablets and injection again to increase this one, insulin hormone. Okay, so if that tablets and injections will increase this hormone, again maintain their glucose level in the body in a normal range. Understood this one? So this is the third kind of hormone. Next, we want to see position of ovary in the female. So in the female, in the ovaries, womb. Okay, so in the females there is a part called a inside. Okay, so there is a part called ovaries. In that there is a hormone called progesterone. Progesterone will be there. Okay, so this hormone makes the female to get their menstrual cycle properly, to get pregnant, and whatever the females that function will be there to be in a proper range. Which is the hormone? Progesterone. Okay, where we will find? In the ovaries. In the ovaries of the female. Where the ovaries will be? Below the waist. Understood, children? So you will be having, the girls will be having the progesterone hormone, which makes the girls or the female to get mature, and after that whatever the things will be there, that will happen. Okay, so the next level. Next, come to the next one more. In this is in female. Now in male there is a testis we find. Testis. Okay, so if you want to see the structure, last lesson structure in the boys. Okay, so there is a hormone called estrogen. Okay, so that estrogen makes the boys or the male to produce or to secrete the sperm, which will be helpful in the next to reproduce the next babies. Understood? So these are the knowledge or the things about the hormones and the glands where we find and what are all the functions. Understood, children? This is very important to get this age. Why means everything whatever you are finding in this age only, from your 11 years only will start to secrete all the insulin hormones and all. Ma'am, before that, what is there any no hormones will be there or like that? No. Okay, glands will be there, but secretion will not be there. Secretion means coming out. Okay, in the babies till 10 years, only the glands will be there. No hormones means secretion will not be there. As you start getting this age, the teenagers, every hormones will start getting and their functions also should be proper. If any like misleading or any like ups and downs will be happen, more secretion, less secretion, then they cause their problems. That problems. Understood about this?